Loxon, a name that's trusted for premium performance. Now the Loxon family has a new member. That's Loxon Self-Cleaning Acrylic Coating. Engineered for exterior above-grade masonry substrates that require a clean, attractive look, this revolutionary coating provides high-performance protection with enhanced water shedding and dirt pickup-resistant properties. It's no secret that over time, ordinary coatings become soiled or stained, either requiring extensive cleaning or costly repaints. But Loxon Self-Cleaning Acrylic Coating is formulated to be self-cleaning by shedding dirt upon rain or water contact, extending the life cycle of the coating and saving commercial property owners and managers thousands of dollars in maintenance costs.
Well, there's a lot of things I like about the Loxon product in terms of it's easy to apply. I put it on a textured wall here and it really went on evenly, consistently. And a big part of my job is pressure washing, and any product that can lower the amount of maintenance on a facility like this certainly saves time and money to the owner.
Like the other coatings in the Loxon line, Loxon Self-Cleaning Acrylic Coating has excellent weathering properties and UV resistance, and it's mildew resistant too, which means agents in the coating inhibit the growth of mildew on the surface of the coating. The breathable paint film minimizes the potential for blistering and has the flexibility to adapt to weather fluctuations. Loxon Self-Cleaning Acrylic Coating is suitable for application over properly prepared bare or previously coated concrete, masonry, or cement board surfaces. Color options are extensive in a flat sheen, and it has fewer than 50 grams per liter VOCs. The power of Loxon's proven performance, combined with the benefit of its self-cleaning formula, provides a great solution to offer your commercial property customers.